Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular coffee accessories, the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter and the Moka Express Italia collection. If you're a coffee lover, you'll definitely want to stick around for this comparison. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Now let's get started. When it comes to compatibility, both products shine. The Bialetti replacement gasket and filter are specifically designed to fit all Bialetti 3-cup stovetop coffee and espresso makers. On the other hand, the Moka Express Italia collection is available in various sizes, making it suitable for gas, electric, and induction stovetops with the Bialetti induction adapter plate. So regardless of your coffee maker or stovetop, you'll be able to find the perfect fit. In terms of construction, the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter are made from white rubber and stainless steel. This combination ensures durability and longevity. The Moka Express Italia collection is the original stovetop espresso maker, made in Italy. Its patented safety valve and ergonomic handle enhance its quality and ease of use. Plus, the unique shape and iconic gentleman with a mustache design add a touch of vintage elegance to your coffee brewing experience. Let's talk about the brewing process. With the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter, preparing your coffee is a breeze. Simply replace the filter and gasket in your Bialetti 3-cup stovetop coffee or espresso maker, fill it with ground coffee without pressing, close the pot, and place it on the stovetop. As soon as it starts to gurgle, turn off the heat, and your delicious coffee will be ready. The Moka Express Italia collection follows a similar process, filling the boiler up to the safety valve and allowing the coffee to brew to perfection. And there you have it. We've compared the Bialetti replacement gasket and filter with the Moka Express Italia collection. Both products bring their own unique features to the table. Whether you prefer the convenience of replacement parts or the timeless charm of the original Italian espresso maker, the choice is yours. Let us know in the comments below which product you found more appealing. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-related content. Thank you for watching.